So hi guys, today we are gonna drink sugarcane juice. I missed that in India. The flavor we took it's lime. So they will put lemon in it. Let's see how delicious it's gonna be. So she is preparing it. Oops. Sorry.
Yeah.
Done. Thank you.
Extra large yung, ay large yung binili ko.
Okay lang. You have a new sandals.
This is sugarcane juice with lemon.
Yeah.
Ay,
So just try it.
I taste it.
Yeah.
Dapat you can put ice.
Is it good? Trust me.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes. Yummy.
Do you like that? I believe you have drank this juice after many years, right?
Ang sarap. Buti large binili ko, sabi ko small. Kaya na, ang sarap mahal. Lalo siguro pag may ice to, naku.
Totoo?
They didn't put
Ice?
sugar?
No, nothing.
Natural?
Yeah, natural juice.
Ay, kasi sugarcane pala. Sugarcane pala.